In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the ultimate gardening companion application. It is super simple to use, and the best part is it is absolutely free. Hopefully everything I've talked about today has made sense and that you are excited about using SeedsIO. I know I built the application, but this will be the first full season that I use it as a production platform. In the last year, I've been doing a lot of testing, development, that sort of thing. But this year I'll be doing it from a full end-to-end process with all my seed trays. I will be planting them out in actually not too long now, another 2 weeks. Scary thought, this year has flown by. But I hope that has got you excited to use it. Gardening can be somewhat of a lonely hobby at times. We're out there on our own a lot of the time. And SeedsIO is a way to bring people together. You can share your successes with like-minded people. The social aspect of this is something that I've really enjoyed seeing develop, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it develop even further. I know I enjoy sharing my successes and my failures with my plants, which is why I have a YouTube channel. But doing it on SeedsIO as well, you can at least see direct progress with these things, and you can share yours as well. Now, some of the features that are coming in the future, this part does get a little techie. If you are just interested in the basics of taking a couple photos and sharing them with your friends and with the public, then you don't have to watch the rest of this, but it's something I'm really excited about. I come from the tech industry. I'm a geek at heart. I love technology and I love using it to make life easier and optimize various processes. One of those things that I like to do is around IoT. IoT might sound like it's just a buzzword, but it's not. It is something that is hugely useful. IoT means Internet of Things. And it's essentially what I was doing in my last home, where I was monitoring humidity, temperature inside my greenhouse, my polytunnel, and outdoors. And I was also controlling things like my fans and lights and my irrigation pumps using my IoT platform that I had built. Now, I built that platform as a bit of a test, a precursor to what I'm trying to build here with SeedsIO. It is not something that is terribly easy to do. It is something that is a bit of a challenge when you start scaling it up for more users. If it's just for myself, that's fine. But when there's 10,000 people that are using the platform and getting data going in and out and be able to control things and be able to bring in images from your cameras, then obviously I need to account for that. And that's what I'm working on at the moment. I'm hoping that within the next 3 to 6 months, you'll see the first iteration of that. I'm already using it. I'm testing it on SeedsIO, and it's looking good. I'm really excited to get it out there into your hands as well. But that's a bit of a taste of what is to come. I think it's something that's going to be hugely useful. Now, even if you aren't a techie, this is still something that is going to be fairly easy to do. I will be working with a few people to get these devices into your hands so that you don't actually have to build anything. You can take these ready-made devices and put them inside your greenhouse. Or if you want to do it yourself, no problem at all. Go buy yourself an ESP32 or a Raspberry Pi and stick on a DHT22 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and start sending that data across. I'll build out modules for you that you can integrate in your code, and it'll be pretty straightforward. But all that is coming in the future, so keep an eye out. I've just got a lot of other things I have to do in the meantime, but it's a bit of a taste of what is to come, and it's seriously exciting. It just takes this whole platform to another level. And on the flip side of that, you don't have to use the IoT. I think the platform as it is, SeedsIO, the actual germination trays, the propagation trays, hugely useful as it is. If you never touch IoT, no problem at all. You'll still get a lot of value out of SeedsIO. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Please keep an eye out for more SeedsIO content. If you do want to see more in-depth sort of stuff around SeedsIO, do subscribe to my second channel, ChilliChump 2. There'll be more of the technical side on there. But yeah, very soon we'll be having some videos coming out of me actually planting my seeds and using SeedsIO, and it might make even more sense to you of why I see so much value in a platform like this. Until then, stay spicy.